Hey guys, got my '07 Chevy Colorado with a 3.7 liter engine here. There's a tinging, ringing sound coming from the engine. I'm going to start it up, let you hear it, then I'll show you what the problem is. So just listen carefully and you're going to hear that ringing metal sound coming from the engine. And the issue was the belt tensioner. I've just replaced it. I'll start up the truck now and you can hear it. And there's the tensioner. And this is the belt tensioner part number from Gates 38178. And the new one seemed to be built a lot better. It seemed a bit bigger around this area here. Now if you replace the belt tensioner and you still have noise, then you may want to replace the serpentine belt at the same time. And I do have another video, guys, to where I did replace just the serpentine belt to correct a noise problem. The noise problem was different than this one. I will put the link under the video today so you can go watch that. Now, I'm not a car mechanic, but what I'm going to advise you is if you replace the belt or the tensioner, do both at the same time. I did just the belt, then a year later I ended up having to do the tensioner. You're much better off to do everything at once. And as you saw there, I did this on the 3.7 liter engine. Some Canyons have the same engine and some Hummer H3s have it. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and check out my channel for small engine repair videos, and have yourselves a great day.